Welcome to another video from PixLogik. In the last video I said I was going to start on some level design, but there's a few things I need to do before that, so I'm going to be covering that in this video. I'm going to be adding a menu so we can select our levels. First thing I'm going to do is go into Retro Adventure and we're going to be looking for level selection. I'm going to copy everything that's in here. We now head back to our test folder and we're going to create a new scene and we're going to call it menu. We'll delete this camera here and we'll paste in what we just copied. Okay, we want to now add the menu to our build settings. Now we're also going to need a load screen, so I'm going to go into third party, more mountains, tools, scene loading. Going to open up this, save everything on here. Back into our test, create another new scene and call this load screen. Delete this main camera and just paste in what you've just got. And we add our load screen to our build settings. Actually, I'm going to change this to loading screen. Just make sure it's still in the build settings. Yeah, it's changed it for us, that's fine. Okay, let's go back to our menu. And we'll open up UI camera, canvas, mask, carousel, content, and retro adventure level. I'm going to change this to level 1. And then our button alt. We make sure button pressed first time is actually at level 1, which it is. We then change item title to level 1. And let's go in and do the same to level 2. We'll go up to our level 1 there and we will make sure this is changed to level 1. And do the same for level 2. Now if we press play, there we go. Going to go into level 1 just now, save that. I'm going to move my end level . Next level, and we should have level 2. There we go. This retro adventure level should be moved up into props. We'll do the same on level 2. That should clear up the red error message we're getting there. There we go. Going to go back into menu and canvas, mask, carousel, content. We're going to change this to level 3. And level 3 here. Same with 4. And 5. I'm going to change this level 2. I see I've got a space in there that I don't need, just to keep it the same as everything else. Okay, we're going to go back into level 1 and we're going to open our prefab. I'm going to go to item title and we're going to change it to level 1. Now it's not changed in here even though we changed it before because this is the prefab. I should have done this at the start, but let's just do it now. Just check that by playing. Okay, I'm going to zoom in on this. I'm going to change the item text to coins collected. I'm going to move the item title up. I'm then going to move the item text now. As we're using coins and not stars, I'm going to change these. I've got an image that I'm going to add here, this one here, icon, and I'm going to use it instead of the star. So where it says source image, I'm just going to drag that up, and I'm going to do the same with others. Let's have a look at that. Okay, that's changed them all, which is good. Now each level I'm going to have 10 coins to collect, so we're going to have to up this to 10. So I have worked this out earlier for sizes, so we will duplicate this one. I'm going to go in and change these to coins. Let's just zoom out of here. I'm going to have to extend the item text box, so we'll make that 380. We'll go with that. There we get all 5 in. Might still be a bit too close to the left hand side there, so I'm going to let's just centre it. And I think I'll do that with the item title, just to keep things the same. And the locked icon I will move down. Change the position to 0. Gonna have to move these circles up, so let's just try. Let's go with 20. Minus 20. I'm thinking maybe 95. That's going to be minus 140. There we go. Now we just have to change these titles. And let's change. Let's call it Treasure Hunt. I'm also going to change these images. I'm not going to do that right now. I'll take an image of the actual level and place it in here. Save that. Now what I need to do here is, let's check the coins, make sure that's actually collecting it. Counter's not working at the moment, so have a look at that. As this video is getting quite long now, I will sort that out in the next video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.